Welcome. If you want to enter one-hand mode in your Samsung Galaxy J5 2016, for the first you have to open the settings. Right now just tap on the advanced features and click on the switcher to activate the one-hand mode and click on it one more time. And right now we have two ways to enter the one-hand mode. We can use the gesture. There's the preview how we can do this, and also we can use the button. I think that is one of the easiest method to enter the one-hand mode, and all we have to do is just to tap on the home button 3 times quickly. So let's try it. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we have to do it faster. And as you can see, currently we are in the one-hand mode, so we can easily reach a very part of the screen with our one hand. And if you want to make it on the left side, you have to click on the switcher, and the same if you want to get it back here. And if you want to exit, you have to just click on the arena outside. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.